Hello po.
Nagpupuyat ako.
Napupuyat daw sila.
Nagpupuyat ako sa iyo.
Hey! Teka lang, ha? Mr. B, Miss B, Katie. Etong isa, Mr. B and Miss B. Okay. Basahin na muna natin. I just want to take a moment to express how much I admire both of you. I am one of your avid fans. And honestly, this is the very first time in my life that I've ever fangirled over anyone. That alone says so much about how special you are to me. Your love and life story is truly one of a kind. Maybe that's the reason why I became such a big fan, because what you share feels real, sincere, and inspiring. As a fan, I'm simply here supporting you, and your story continues to unfold no matter where it leads. You can count on my support. What I admire most about both of you is how you remain kind, humble, and grounded despite being in the limelight. That kind of authenticity is rare and truly beautiful. It inspires people like me more deeply than words can express. I sincerely hope that you will always stay the same, warm, genuine, and appreciative of your fans. Wishing you both all the best in life, especially for Katie. May your family continue to be blessed with love, happiness, and peace. With love, support, one of your biggest fans, Floricel. Di ko mabasa ba? Floricel.
Ayan.
Ay, ito?
Ito mo,
Tonggia.
Oo, ayan.
Ito na lang tayo. Floricel Ayan. Thank you so much, Floricel Ayan. Happy Mother's Day to the one of the most exceptional mom, deeply admired and truly inspired. Thank you so much, Floricel. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung letter mo. Tsaka yung mga peanut butter. Salamat. 10 minutes lang. I love you. Actually, may isa pa siyang letter eh.
Versace on the floor. Ooh. Papakita ko sa inyo yung jersey, which will be available soon. Ito yun, guys. The official Team KKK jersey, which was designed by yours truly. What a night last night, guys. Last night was the meet and greet for KKK. Sobrang overwhelming. Check this out. This is the stuff that we came home with. Dami kong fruits. I love it. Fruits is isa sa pinaka na-appreciate kong gift kasi one of my longtime dreams is to be a fruitarian, which is fruits lang talaga kinakain. So for the past 5 years, I've been training myself to eat more fruits. So guys, Ate Tess, yung mga iba nagbigay, maraming salamat. We have pineapples, we have watermelons, we have mangoes, cantaloupes. You guys know the way to a man's heart, through the stomach. Look at all these memories. It's crazy how all of this has happened. Thank you guys. Now I have something to put up in my condo. Kasi wala pa akong frame dito, except for yung Playboy. This looks like an El Nido memory frame. Boarding the plane, arriving, nagkatampuhan kami. Team KKK, having fun. I think upon arrival though, this is right when we got there. The first night of the reset. What a view. Ang ganda naman ng view. Of the sea, diba? Of the sea, Mr. B, Miss B, habulan in the sea. First or second night bonding with Katie. Oh my God, napakasarap to. Boodle fights a wonderland. Napakasarap. And then this one. This is from Team KKK Worldwide. Thank you guys. Katie's birthday. Katie's birthday at J Castles. The very first staycation before I left for the States. Sanua, COD, City of Dreams. Great memories. This is AI. I think guys, I appreciate it, but sa sobrang totoo yung mga AI images, akala nila na totoo to. You know what I've been noticing? Yung mga AI na ginagawa nila, nangyayari. Parang minimanifest nila yung mga gusto nilang mangyari through AI photos. Thank you, but that's AI. You know how I know? Wala akong relo ng ganyan. Sa tingin nyo guys, saan pwede sa part ng condo, pwede ko ilagay itong mga frames? And we got more fruits, guys. May kiwis, mango. Believe it or not, all this is good for me for about 4 days. Sobrang takaw ko sa fruits. So, thank you guys. And, yung mga letter pa dito, hindi ko pa nabigay kay Chiki. But, let's see who this is from. K-Chins Global. I'll read this later, but Tita Ami, Thank you, po. And we got more gifts. Versace, feeling blue. We got our favorite baquillos, more goodies. Just thank you guys. Maraming salamat. We love you. Available soon. Check out my posts and I will drop the price. Yeah. Why 11? Because K is the 11th letter of the alphabet. There's a lot of symbolism going on here. Left is the blue side, and it's probably usually the masculine side. Right is the feminine side. And then you got this, Team KKK. Again, masculine, which is me. Feminine, which is Chiki. The glue that ties everything together. Katie in the middle. KKK.
Ano ba? Ayan.
Hello po. Nabubuyat ako.
Napupuyat daw sila.
Nabubuyat ako sa inyo. Kaya kami makikita.
Thank you.
Puyat na puyat ako.
Puyat daw siya sa inyo.
Ano daw?
Ano?
Magpahinga din po minsan.
Kailan ko kaya ikaw makikita? Saan kita makikita? Soon. Kaya ka sa Amerika.
Sabi ko mag-join sa Team KKK.
Hindi nga po ako marunong eh.
Hindi daw siya marunong. Ay siya, sige.
Ang pogi talaga.
Pogi mo daw. Ay kami nakain.
At picturean mo pala.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.